So we've got the senior leadership of HURCO with us at IMTEX 2025, and we're going to ask them about the new products, the new initiatives that they have launched this year. So what's new at IMTEX 2025 from your end?
Yeah. Good evening, Amit. Once again, I welcome you all in IMTEX 2025. It's the second day, and we are really excited to see many customers at our end. So myself, Kamlesh Tiwari, and I'm AGM Sales, National Sales Head here over taking care of HURCO Products. So in HURCO this year, our new launch is VM10 with Pro Cobot. Pro Cobot is a very means it's a collaborative robot, what we say, and this we are displaying with a grid of 72 components, and it's a pick and place. And this is basically machines getting used for 24-hour running without manpower. So this is the first thing what we are showing over here. Second thing, we are displaying our 5-axis machine. This is VC600i. This is a totally integrated 5-axis. And third, we are showing our Takumi S12 over here, which is a dedicated die mold machine, which is 1.3 meter by 800 by 600. Yeah, this is the three things what we are displaying over here. Yeah.
So what are the kind of opportunities, the products that you would like to talk about, that you're going to be tapping this market this year?
So if you talk about the opportunities, yes, of course, for what kind of product we have 3 axis, we have 5 axis, we have 3+2 axis, we have turning machine, we have big size of gantry machine, we have big size of double column machines. So there's opportunities huge in India. But what I can say, what the machine we have presented here, in the kind of market what we have, so I can see good opportunity in medical and in aerospace, as well as we are already established ourselves in the die mold market. So if you see, means this year we have very good opportunity with the medical, aerospace and die mold business. Yeah.
Would you like to talk about your India plans? Any growth numbers that you're planning to target? Any initiatives that you'd be, especially for the India markets?
Yeah, definitely. As everybody is looking towards India, so we are also very much hopeful for our business in India. So this year we are targeting that we have to come with a more till date we are trying to establish ourselves in the HURCO brand in India. Now we are very much established with HURCO and Takumi brand. So this year we are trying to focus more on 5-axis machine, more on double column machines, and giving more technology solutions to our Indian customer. As we are 50+-year-old technology-based company, so we want to come out with more technological solution to our customers. Yeah.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you.